In a bustling office, arrogance reigned, until a quiet maid in blue gloves changed everything. For 2 years, Renata Silva had been invisible. But today, her skills, courage, and dignity would rewrite the rules. "I'll give my entire salary to anyone who can translate this," Danilo Souousa shouted, waving the papers at the gathered staff. As always, most of them laughed. Renata Silva paused, still scrubbing the floor in her blue uniform and gloves. She didn't laugh. For 2 years, she had been silent, unnoticed. Hours earlier, Danilo had received an envelope from Hungary. He opened it with disdain, expecting a simple business proposal. "It's Hungarian, sir. Official stamps. Euros," his secretary Mariana reported. "Euros?" He scoffed. "A scam." But his face turned pale when Mariana mentioned the deadline, 6 p.m. tonight. No one in the city spoke Hungarian, and translation agencies couldn't help. He slammed the table. "It's almost 3 p.m. I'll pay 45,000 reis." Renata stepped forward while the room laughed. "May I help with the translation, Mr. Danilo?" He chuckled. "You speak Hungarian?" "Yes, sir. I can translate these documents." The laughter died down. Renata began reading aloud. "Danilo Souousa, Joseph, your uncle, has died in Budapest. 15 million euros are yours. Confirm receipt by 6 p.m. today." Danilo's hands shook as he held the papers. "How do you know Hungarian?" "For 15 years, I taught languages and worked as a translator at the Hungarian consulate. I lost my job for exposing a diploma-selling scam. For my unemployed husband and sick daughter, this is the only stable work I can take." The office fell silent. "Can you translate everything?" Danilo asked, humbled. "Yes, but I need a computer, internet, privacy, and independence," she said. Hours later, Renata returned with flawless translations, legal explanations, and detailed footnotes. Work worthy of a top international law firm. "Impressive," Danilo whispered. "You offered your salary, Mr. Danilo." "I've come to claim it," she replied. He suggested she stay on as a paid consultant. Renata agreed, but on her terms. A written contract, direct payment to her daughter's clinic, and 2 weeks of part-time training for her successor. New documents soon challenged Danilo's inheritance. They flew to Budapest. Renata organized witnesses, gathered evidence, and guided him through the legal process. The court confirmed Joseph Sousa's intentions. Danilo was the rightful heir. Relieved, he thanked Renata. Back in Brazil, Renata launched a department for foreign inheritances and became director of foreign relations. Her daughter Sofia won first place in the USP medical program. During a company celebration, Danilo recognized her. "One of the smartest people here was invisible to me for 2 years. Today, she taught me to see and saved my fortune." The company created a scholarship fund and profit-sharing program. Renata later received honorary Hungarian citizenship. She said, "I never imagined my dignity would be recognized." Danilo replied, "Your dignity reminded me to respect mine. What started as a boast, 'I'll give you my salary if you translate this,' became a quiet revolution of fairness, respect, and acknowledgement. What began as a boast, 'I'll give you my salary if you translate this,' became a lesson in respect, fairness, and unseen brilliance. Sometimes the most powerful voices are the ones you never notice until they speak." The end.